beautiful day today, and I'm back with another unboxing video, and this one I've waited forever to do, and by forever I mean a month, because that's how long it took my iPad Pro to come. But I wanted to do an unboxing, and I was thinking about doing like an ASMR one where like I'm just unboxing or talking, and I asked Instagram, and clearly everybody said talking, but I want to do both. So what you just watched was the ASMR part, and now I'm just gonna do like a little bit of talking. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. This is the iPad Pro 2020 with the camera that I guess kind of matches the 11 camera. And so I got the Magic Keyboard too, and it's so beautiful. I didn't even set it up yet because I was too busy unboxing it, but I'm just gonna go through some of the things that I got. So this first thing that I got is obviously the iPad Pro 2020. I got the 256 gigabytes one because I just wanted a little more memory. I wanted to edit photos and stuff. And I got it engraved, like Brianna on the back, but not that it matters because I have a case, but I just wanted it engraved. And I bought this with my own money. I've been working very hard this summer, like 50-hour weeks, processing COVID tests, but yes, I earned this because I worked so hard for this. And it's really beautiful, but I'm really excited. And then of course, this just came out like a few months ago, and it's the Magic Keyboard. And actually this is heavier than the iPad itself, but it's really nice. It's really beautiful. I'm really excited to try it out. Next, I got this Cover Buddy smart cover. I linked everything down below if you guys want to check it out, but this is really cool because I'm really protective over my stuff, so I was like, it's so dangerous without protection on the Magic Keyboard, right? So this is like just like a back cover, and like it has like a little pencil holder so the pencil won't fall off, and it's just magnetic and it sticks to here, so now I feel more protective because all the edges are like just not exposed. And next I didn't get the actual Paperlike brand, but this is like similar, and I really enjoy writing and drawing on my iPad, so very useful. And I got this case because I thought I wasn't gonna get the Magic Keyboard yet, but I ended up getting it, so I guess this is for when I don't use the Magic Keyboard. I also got the Generation 2 pencil because I have the 1, but then that doesn't work, so this one is cooler and more expensive, but cooler. Then again, I'm very protective over my stuff, so I got the camera protection too. Not that it's gonna touch anything because it's protected. And then one of the other things I got was this really cool decal sticker on the case. It's from Decal Girl, and it's so pretty. Like, it's better than the boring what's it called, grayish black that they have. And I heard that it gets really easily chafed. I don't know if that's a word, but whatever. It gets messed up, so hopefully this protects it better. And when I ordered the iPad, right now I think they have the student discount, and it came with or I bought the Pros because I just wanted an upgrade, and it took a while to get used to, not gonna lie. Like, the soundproofness, sometimes it's like you put them on and it's like soundproof, right? And it's like, what happened to all the sound outside? Like, you can't hear anything, so took a little getting used to, but very fun to use. And I got this really small case for it, and yep, I love it. And I got this iPad basically because I use Apple products a lot, and my Mac Pro is very helpful, very useful. I edit videos, everything on here, but I just wanted something more portable. Not that we're going anywhere because we're all inside, but portable from my bed to my couch, I guess. But yeah, I want to read music on here, edit pictures, do most of my work on the iPad. So last year, right before school, I think around this time, I bought the iPad Air 3, and it's really light and it's really awesome. And I had the Pencil 1, right, too. And I took so many notes on this, and read a lot of sheet music on here, and it was just very helpful, and I loved it so much. And I'm gonna give it to my brother now. But this iPad's cheaper. It was I think I got it for less than 500 maybe. And so this was a really nice iPad if you're looking for a good quality iPad. But I just wanted a little bit of an upgrade, and yeah, so that's the reason why I got it. And this video, no way am I trying to brag. It's just, I really enjoyed watching these videos. when I was waiting for my iPad to come, and I found them kind of like informative, and I like watching like accessories and stuff. I like finding accessories for it, so that's the reason why I made this video, and I just can't wait to use it. I might make more videos in the future, like about like, you know, how I use it in a day and stuff. So yeah, that'll be in the future though. But for now, I just need to try it out, transfer like my apps and stuff. But pretty cool so far. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. I don't know why, I just like watching unboxing videos. But I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And always, always, always live a life you can't put into